Good morning from Khumjung. My friend here, Krishna,
Yes,
is pushing the prayer wheel in Buddhism, the prayer wheel clockwise. Follow us here. Here has crafts, local crafts, here for sale, handmade here in the Himalayan mountains, up in the staircase leading to Mount Everest. So we have local hats made from the local wool, made by local craftsmen, and wonderful wear from locals, the Sherpa and Tibetan culture, tradition, and heritage. And then we also have jewelry, many different precious stones, minerals from this region. And here we have the Himalayan turquoise. I love turquoise. Himalayan turquoise stone represents the sky stone, the connection from earth to the sky, with the lotus flower, transformation, healing into a divine spirituality to the sky upward. Here we have Mount Ama Dablam, which is at about 6,700, 6,800 meters. In the background we have Mount Lhotse, which is 8,500 meters.
Yes.
Right here we have Mount Tengboche, which is about 6,500 meters, about 6,500 meters. And behind there, we have the top of the world, Mount Everest, Sagarmatha, 8848.6 meters, 8,848.6 meters. The stairway to heaven, perhaps the giants, the megalith of Mount Everest. Dhanyavad.
Khumjung is located in the Khumbu region of the Everest region. It stands at about 3,900 meters above sea level and about 8 kilometers headed towards Tengboche.
Here we are above Namche Bazar, Solon Khumbu, Everest region. And I am at the Ama Dablam guest house, tea house. They sell yak cheese here. We also have arts and crafts. And we are here right before, we got about another few kilometers and 400 meters to go to Tengboche. Hello, namaste from
Namaste, I am Krishna.
Krishna.
Yeah.
Say
Krishna
hello.
Mother.
Krishna Mother. And hello, namaste.
Hello, namaste. Yeah.
And what's your name?
My name is Sridham.
Very good.
Freedom, right. Tomorrow, clear weather and very good.
Very good view in the morning.
Yeah.
Here we have yak cheese. Can you explain the yak cheese?
Yeah, yak cheese. Very good yak cheese. This
And it comes from the mountain yak.
yak, yeah.
And it has a very good sour taste.
Yeah.
100% authentic. And he's also sells jewelry.
Yeah.
And I got this from Krishna.
Look nice.
It's Himalayan turquoise.
The following morning, the ascent begins to Tengboche and onward to Everest Base Camp.